Hi guys, in this video I want to show you a really cool trick, okay, to get rid of shoulder pain. Now in the other videos that I did, usually the right shoulder pain is the gallbladder, and all you have to do is massage the gallbladder and bam, that thing goes right away. And it could be going up into the head too. But this technique is another thing that I do, and I'll tell you how it works in a little bit, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. Let's say he hurts in this shoulder or this shoulder, and he can't raise the arm up, right? It's stuck, or it's restricted, or it's weak, or it's in pain, okay? What you do is you work on the opposite calf, okay? I'll explain why it works, but just trust me on this. So let's say he hurts on the right shoulder or he can't move the arm up. I'll take his calf and towards the bottom part, okay? Close to the Achilles tendon, right down, not quite down, all the way down on by his heel, but right down, I'd say like right at this level right here, right around here. And I'm going to press. There'll be a knot. And you'll work this out, massage this, and it's going to hurt like hell. All right, so you go light. And so as we're working this for about 10 seconds, okay? And then you have him raise the arm up, okay? And he'll raise it up higher. And you keep working on it. You can put it down. And the pain will go away. Now, he doesn't have pain, so we can't do it before and after, but it's the opposite calf, okay? Now, if he hurts on this side, you work on, again, the opposite calf, and we just massage that. You can actually rub down, doesn't matter, just rub the knots out, and you can work the whole calf, and you can even have him lay face down and work on the opposite calf, but it'll knock out shoulder pain, okay? So now, let me show you why that works. So here's why it works. So if you were to walk, how many of you walk like this and like this? You don't walk like that, do you? No, you don't. You walk like this, okay? You alternate, right? So now look at, you have this hand, the opposite hand following that foot, and this shoulder is following that foot, okay? And then you're following this way. It's kind of, everything is opposite. It's called contralateral. So the electrical circuits on this side of your body are hooked up to the opposite side lower. So you have an activation, on, off, on, off, on, off. In other words, there's neurology, nerves that are connected to that ankle, foot, and calf, and this shoulder and arm. So you can work on this side to fix this side, okay? Go ahead and try it yourself. Don't believe me, just try it and see if it works. Put your comments below. Press the subscribe button. Forgot the last part. And I'm going to see you next time. I will press the, and yeah, you'll get future updates. That's right, updates. I knew there was a word. Press the subscribe button and I will keep you updated on the future events.